this puzzle, we have to get Scrat to the acorn without touching the broken pieces of ice. This puzzle is a little tricky, but we can do it. There are two different ways he can get to the acorn. One is to go east and then south, and the other is to go south and then east. Let's do an easy one. He can go south and then east. Let's run it. Now let's move on to the next puzzle. We have to move one way, then another to get Scrat to the acorn. What's the shortest path? There are two ways again. You can go north and then east 2 times, or east, east and then north. Let's do east, east and north, which will make him go to the acorn without touching these 2 pieces of broken ice. Next puzzle. This video is about debugging with the step button. You can copy the link, download the video, or continue without watching it. But in order to get the certificate, you must watch it.
Run into errors that they need to. Most puzzles have a step button below the block. Is it still running right? I need to go forward.
Let's move on. Now you have to figure out what is missing and then add blocks to get Scrat to the acorn. They have already added a piece of code for us, and all we have to do is add one more block. Let's see what this code leads us to, and then we'll add extra blocks later. Okay, he goes west twice, and then west, and then get to the acorn. What about dragging a north block from the toolbox and then snapping it on? This must take him to the acorn. And remember, you cannot... Now, we have to get Scrat to the acorn. They haven't given us any blocks for help. Again, there are 2 ways he can get to the acorn. He can go south, east, east and east, or east, 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 east and then south. Let's do east 3 times and then south. You can also use the step button. Congratulations, we completed puzzle 8. This is a challenge puzzle. Let's do it. We have to move around the broken ice to get Scrat to the acorn. Let's move north, west, west, south, and then west. But we could also use the other way to go south, west, west, north, and then west. The challenge is complete. Hooray!